Hello everyone. Now today first of all we just check
No,
huh, how to add new page in our website. So you can select a website that is whatever we have to give on a name. I will give you I give website one. Right click on them, add new item, select waveform and give your waveform name whatever you want. So I just give bulleted list and your waveform is ready. Now let us consider how to apply. We can run the application. We just check out how to apply a title, untitled to title in that web page. First of all, this is just revise and remember in your mind, all of you. So this is a blank page. Here it cannot be consider anything right now. So blank, and it is indicate that is a bulleted list or something. Now we can just put title here in source part. Title tags are there. This is a page for display bullets. Bullets. So let us ready to use them. A page, run the application. It is debug and run your application. Now the page, the title will be displayed here in consist of the blank, that is this is a page for display bullets. Now to apply bullets on that web page. So in that toolbox, click on that toolbox, double click on that bulleted list. Basically bulleted list, it is useful for display the different kind of bullets, like different kind of symbol like square, triangle before our text or list. Okay, so it is useful for them. So it is useful for listing out on that web page. Select format, set position absolute. Now it is ready to move on our ASP.NET web page whenever we have to set. So let's consider the properties of them. Prefix, that is BLT, LST. Access key, it is useful for shortcut the keyboard. Append data bounds, by default false. Back color if you wish to apply, and we can set a background color for bulleted list. This is the important properties regarding if you wish to decorate our bulleted list. Border color, border styles, bulleted image, which we have to consider. If you wish to set particular bullet list, bullet image, then we can apply. If you wish to use a different kind of bullet, number, lower alpha, upper alpha, lower Roman, upper Roman, days, circle, square, and customize image, then we can use this bulleted style properties. Before that, we can just add field and bullet items, item collection. Just click on them. We can add newspaper name and we can display with the help of bulleted list. So title, for example, Times of India. Next, Gujarat Samachar. Next, Divya Bhaskar. Next, Sandesh. Next, Gujarat Mitra, etc. So whatever we have to set, it is display here in a bulleted list. Also, we can consider set the bullet with the help of number, that is a style of them. For example, if you wish to go with the help of number, so it is displayed with the help of number prefix of the text. Lower alphabet, upper alphabet are there. If you wish to use round circle, that is. If you wish to circle, if you wish to use square, if you wish to use customize, which we have to consider in a property. So that is useful for bulleted list. It is useful for display a list which is on that web page. That is the concept of bulleted list. Also, it is useful for if you wish to connect with your database management system and your tables field, if you wish to display here, that is possible with the help of these properties. Data source ID, it is connecting with your database. Next, display what you want to display. That is a by default that text will be displayed. If you wish to display as a hyperlink, and you can set the link, that is possible with the help of them. If you wish to use, that is a link button, that is possible with the help of display mode. Enabled by default true, otherwise we can't use it. Font, it is display for our bulleted list, which we have to list out here. Size, for color, and items, that is the most important part, which is inserting different kind of newspaper names here. It is a list out, that is a newspaper name, Times of India, Gujarat Samachar, Divya Bhaskar, Sandesh, and Gujarat Mitra. That is an example for use it. Then rendering, if you wish to apply, that is a render the control out of mark when not bound the data. Whenever we are using a database management system, that time we can use that rendering. Selected method, if you wish to select particular things of that tools, then we can use it. Tab index, it is useful for tabbing purpose. Target, that is we are not using them. This is a blank parent search. If you wish to target, apply for URL. Tooltips, if you wish to display runtime, hover on them. What is the purpose? We have to put the list. So we can just like display. This is a news paper list. Now let's check. We can run the application. And whenever we can hover on them, that time it is display. This is a newspaper. So this is the tooltips, which is useful for tips regarding your tools. Runtime, validation, visible, we can apply through with the help of these tools. And basically by default, that is the event, that is the click event. Runtime, we can click on them and it is transferred to jump. It is working as a navigation one page to another page, that is the link button as well as hyperlink. Otherwise, if you wish to display a list, then we can use list text.